We're Joe and Esther. Every journey starts the same way. Grab coffee and go. From quiet beaches to hidden parks and places most people pass by, this is Wheels of Passion. Come ride with us. Our visit to Marseille began the moment we departed from the cruise ship port and entered the streets of this historic Mediterranean city. As we drove through Marseille, the city revealed a blend of older architecture, narrow side streets, hillside neighborhoods, and everyday life. The overcast skies gave the city a more subdued atmosphere, adding a calm and moody feel to the drive as we made our way through the different districts of Marseille. Our first stop was the beautiful Palais Longchamp, one of Marseille's most impressive historic landmarks. Built in the 1800s to celebrate the arrival of fresh water into the city through the Canal de Marseille, the monument stands as both an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of the city's growth and development. As we approached the palace, the massive fountain immediately became the centerpiece of the scene. Water cascaded down beneath elaborate sculptures and stone carvings, while the curved colonnades stretched outward on both sides of the monument. Even under the cloudy skies, the pale stone architecture stood out beautifully against the muted backdrop of the city. Walking through the grounds felt peaceful and relaxing compared to the busy streets we had just driven through. The combination of classical architecture, flowing water, landscaped gardens, and open walkways gave the entire area a calm and elegant atmosphere. Every angle revealed another impressive detail, from the decorative columns and statues to the sweeping staircases surrounding the fountain. Palais Longchamp offered a quieter side of Marseille and provided a memorable beginning to our day exploring southern France. After leaving Palais Longchamp, we continued our drive through the windy streets of Marseille toward the hilltop basilica of Notre-Dame de la Garde. Along the way, the scenery shifted between residential neighborhoods, stone buildings, and elevated roads that gradually climbed higher above the city. Even under the cloudy skies, the changing views and hillside setting made the drive feel scenic and memorable. Arriving at Notre-Dame de la Garde was easily one of the highlights of our visit. Towering high above Marseille, the basilica has watched over the city for generations and is considered one of the most iconic landmarks in all of southern France. Locals often refer to it as La Bonne Mère, meaning the Good Mother, because of the massive golden statue of the Virgin Mary that overlooks the city from the top of the bell tower. From the viewing areas surrounding the basilica, we were treated to sweeping panoramic views of Marseille, the harbor, and the Mediterranean coastline stretching into the distance beneath the gray clouds. The elevated perspective gave us true sense of the city's size and geography, with neighborhoods, ports, hillsides, and historic buildings all spreading outward below. Inside the basilica, the atmosphere became much quieter and more reflective. The interior was filled with intricate mosaics, ornate stonework, glowing candles, and detailed arches that contrasted beautifully with the darker skies outside. The combination of history, architecture, and the dramatic hilltop setting made Notre-Dame de la Garde feel both peaceful and unforgettable. From there, we made our way downhill to the historic Vieux-Port. The drive toward the waterfront showcased another side of Marseille, with cafes, harbor views, boats lining the marina, and locals moving through the streets near the port. As we continued exploring historic Vieux-Port, the harbor quickly revealed why it has remained the heart of Marseille for centuries. Fishing boats, sailboats, and larger vessels lined the marina, while cafes and restaurants stretched along the waterfront promenade. As we explored the Vieux-Port area, we searched for an authentic French bakery where we could finally enjoy a fresh French croissant. After walking through the busy streets near the harbor, we finally found a cozy bakery a few blocks away from the waterfront and stepped inside to enjoy fresh pastries indoors. The warm atmosphere, flaky croissants, and slower pace gave us a chance to relax and experience a simple but memorable part of everyday life in Marseille. Even with the cloudy weather, the port felt alive with activity as locals and visitors moved through the streets, stopping at markets, shops, and outdoor terraces overlooking the harbor. As the day came to an end, Marseille left us with unforgettable memories of historical landmarks, dramatic viewpoints, beautiful architecture, and the unique atmosphere that makes this Mediterranean city so memorable. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.